Welcome to today's Explainer. Have you ever watched a brilliant, totally viral video and wondered, how can I capture that exact storytelling structure and use it to create my own original AI production? Well, we're actually going to figure that out together today. We're looking at a pretty fascinating AI script generation and video analysis protocol. It's essentially the ultimate blueprint for taking successful reference materials and safely turning them into a completely original foundation for your own work. Okay, let's dive into this. We've got a clear roadmap today to solve a massive, everyday frustration for creators. We'll cover 1, the AI analysis roadblock, 2, two easy input options, 3, extracting the YouTube transcript, 4, deconstructing the video output, 5, generating production elements, and 6, the final original script. So let's start with part 1, the AI analysis roadblock, or exactly why links just seem to fail. You know the feeling, right? You drop a YouTube link into your favorite AI chatbot, asking it to analyze the video, and the AI either throws an error or, even worse, hallucinates a summary that makes it seem like it watched a completely different video from some parallel universe. Which leads us to a really crucial question. Why can't AI accurately analyze a video from just a URL link? And this brilliantly illustrates the exact problem. It seems like it should be simple, but a basic URL acts as a massive technical limitation. When you hand an AI a link, it's essentially just trying to run a basic web search. It literally cannot see the visual data, and it cannot hear the spoken dialogue. It's flying completely blind. It's like trying to guess the entire plot of a novel just by scanning the barcode on the back cover. It absolutely needs the raw data to understand what's going on. Which brings us to part 2. 2 easy input options for bypassing that link barrier. So, how do we actually give the AI the raw data it desperately needs? Well, we have 2 incredibly simple options to bypass this roadblock. Option 1, you can upload the video file, or maybe just the most important segment of it, directly into the chat. Or, option 2, you can send the exact text transcript directly from YouTube. Both of these methods instantly unlock the AI, taking it from guessing to analyzing with pinpoint precision. Let's look at part 3, extracting the YouTube transcript, which is basically a 3-step bypass. Let's move to and see how this builds, because we are heavily focusing on option 2 here. Why? Because it requires absolutely no downloading of large, clunky video files. It saves you a ton of hard drive space, and it's a manual 10-second process. Step 1, open your reference video. Step 2, click the 3 little dots below the video player. Step 3, select Show Transcript. Then you just highlight that spoken dialogue, copy it, and paste it directly into your AI chat. Literally 10 seconds, and you have completely solved the link roadblock. Okay, part 4, deconstructing the video output, or what we call the analytical payload. Now this is where it gets really fun. Once you've provided that exact transcript, you aren't just getting a basic summary back. You trigger a massive analytical payload. The AI completely reverse engineers the video. It gives you a structural breakdown, isolates the exact storytelling formula, and details precisely how the hook captured attention in those vital first few seconds. It then takes all of that data and formats it into actionable deliverables for you, whether you're building a quick YouTube Shorts version or fleshing out a fully structured long-form script. Moving right along to part 5, generating production elements and building out your asset list. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is that understanding the storytelling formula is fantastic, but you need tangible building blocks to actually make your project. The AI goes way beyond the script and maps out the entire audiovisual experience for you. You receive scene-by-scene image prompts, detailed instructions for camera movements and animations to keep the visual flow dynamic, and even targeted background music suggestions to perfectly match the emotional tone. It's an incredibly exhaustive, scene-by-scene roadmap for your production. And for those of you pushing the boundaries of AI video generation, it's pretty amazing how deep this protocol goes. It provides tailored, highly specific AI video prompts designed natively for the heavy hitters in the industry. It outputs precise language perfectly optimized for VO, Runway, Pika, or Kling. You aren't just guessing at what to type into these powerful generators anymore. You're using tailored language based on the structural brilliance of your original reference material, completely optimized for your specific tool. It's a total game changer. Finally, part 6, the final original script, where we balance safety and inspiration. All right, we've reached the absolutely most crucial takeaway for any creator, guaranteeing safety and originality. Because when we analyze reference material, flat-out copying is completely unacceptable. Fortunately, this protocol ensures the voiceover script is rewritten entirely in your own words. It takes the architectural blueprint, the structural pacing, the hook strategies, the storytelling formulas, but it builds a completely brand new, unique house right on top of it. To put it definitively, just reading this straight here, the final script will be original and inspired by the video's style and ideas rather than copying its wording, so you can safely create your own AI-generated video. So, the big takeaway is this. You are harvesting the mechanics of success, the flow, the style, the conceptual ideas, but you are leaving the original creator-specific wording safely behind. You get all the structural benefits of learning from a masterclass without simply duplicating their work. So, are you ready to stop guessing with links and start safely generating your own inspired AI videos? You now have the exact roadmap to bypass broken links, extract the raw data, and safely create your own content. But honestly, it leaves us with a much bigger question to ponder. If an AI can perfectly reverse engineer the hidden formulas of human creativity, are we simply remixing the past? Or have we just unlocked the ultimate tool to elevate our own original ideas? Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and we'll see you next time.